Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the features of the Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry programmable slow cooker with digital timer, a versatile kitchen companion that makes cooking for a crowd a breeze. With its programmable digital timer, you can control cooking times from as short as 30 minutes to as long as 20 hours, ensuring your meals are ready when you are. This 6-quart slow cooker is perfect for serving 7 or more people, making it ideal for family gatherings or parties. The locking lid, complete with a gasket, provides an extra seal to prevent messy spills during transport, so you can take your delicious creations anywhere with confidence. Plus, it's safe for use in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and even in the microwave, offering interactive cooking options. Made from durable materials like aluminum and stainless steel, this slow cooker is not only sturdy but also energy efficient, operating at 240 watts with 120 volts AC and 60 Hz. So, whether you're a busy parent or a culinary enthusiast, this Crock-Pot is designed to make your cooking experience seamless and worry-free. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.